The Facebook F8 Developer Conference is upon us. Out of this, we'll have more on where Facebook is headed. Chatbots, live video apps, more engagement possibly with business, more integration as well with Oculus Rift for home DIY virtual reality. And also, we could well get something to do with payment apps. But whatever happens, we know that Facebook is growing enormously. But how do you trade this? How can you trade it on the IG platform? Josh is with us now with a look at the IG chart, which you've got here. You want to start us off on a weekly chart. What's going on? Clearly, it's been a good period for Facebook.
Yeah, certainly, and this really shows you that essentially you might see the odd downturn that might last, say, 2, 3, 4 weeks at the most, but generally it doesn't last and it always ends up going towards the upside. And you can see here, this is the weekly time frame. We can see we've got that 50-period SMA on the weekly time frame that seems to provide support on a number of occasions. You can see certainly the sell-off at the beginning of the year found that support exactly on that moving average. Taken into the daily time frame, you can see it's been a little bit more choppy so far this year. That sharp appreciation has really turned back into a little bit more of a normal uptrend. You can see high highs, high lows being exhibited. Now the key levels that I'm going to be looking out for in particular, 107.28. 107.28 is your 76.4 pullback. If we got back to that level, I'd be very interested in getting long for a move back up towards 116.94 as opposed to breaking below this 104.30. That'll give you a 3-to-1 risk to reward profile. If we look in terms of the hourly time frame, it's usually quite clear when you're starting to see that strength coming back into play. And on this occasion, you can see we've got your first swing high, 110.46. If we manage to get a close back up above there on the hourly time frame, that's a good signal that actually this retracement, which is a good opportunity for people to be able to get long, is possibly over, and we could start to see that recovery. So it's really going to be interesting when we do start seeing the creation of a new higher high. That should be a signal for it to be back into a bullish phase.